Welcome back. We're now ready to talk about generative artificial intelligence. What is generative artificial intelligence, or generative AI for short? Generative AI is a type of computer learning where the computer creates new things like pictures, songs, or stories all on its own. It does this by using what it has learned from lots and lots of examples, and then using that knowledge to make something new and unique. It's kind of like playing a game of Mad Libs, but instead of a person filling in the blanks, the computer does it all by itself. For generative AI to work, it has to have a machine learning model to help it learn. Let's run through a few common machine learning models used to support generative AI. First is generative adversarial networks, or GAN for short. Now think of GAN as two friends playing a game. One friend is a generator and the other is a discriminator. The generator creates something like a picture or a song, and the discriminator tries to tell if it's real or made up. The generator then tries to make its creation better, so the discriminator can't tell if it's real or fake. This goes back and forth, with the generator and discriminator both getting better and better at their jobs, until the generator can create something that the discriminator thinks is real. Second is variational autoencoders, or VAEs for short. Think of a VAE as a machine that can make copies of things. The machine takes a picture of an object and then makes a copy of it, so it looks just like the original. The machine also has a secret code that it uses to make the copies. The code can be changed to make different copies of the same object or to make copies of different objects. That's how VAs work. The machine takes in real data, like image or sounds, and then learns a compressed representation of that data. The compressed representation is like the secret code that can be used to generate new synthetic data and looks or sounds similar to the real data. The VAE can make different types of copies of the same object or many different objects just by changing the secret code. Next are aggressive models. Aggressive machine learning models are a type of machine learning that is designed to be very fast and efficient. Think of aggressive machine learning models like a really smart robot. The robot is taught how to do a task, like playing a video game or driving a car. Once the robot knows how to do the task, it can do it very quickly and without making many mistakes. The robot is designed to be aggressive because it wants to finish a task as quickly as possible and do a good job. Finally, we have Boltzmann machines. Boltzmann machines are a type of machine learning that can be used to generate a new synthetic data or to make predictions based on data. Now just think of Boltzmann machines as a machine that can play a game. The machine can make guesses about what will happen next in the game and then learn from what actually happens. Now over time, the machine gets better and better at making guesses until it can predict what will happen in the game with a high degree of accuracy. That's how Boltzmann machines work. They can be used to generate new synthetic data by making guesses about what the data should look like. They can also be used to make predictions about what will happen next in the game or other situations. The Boltzmann machine learns from the data and gets better over time, so it can make better and better predictions. In the next lesson, you're going to learn about the various types of generative AI. I look forward to seeing you soon.